and welcome back to my studio today. My name is Hilke Kulzke and this video is part of a series that's supposed to help you with your entry for the Knots Book Arts Challenge 2022. You can find out all about that and all the related activities on the website. You can find the link to the site in the description box, and there's also a lot of other links in there for your task today. So check this out after you've seen the video. The topic for today's video is wordless stories. Now this might seem as a contradiction at first. If you remember that in the context of artists' books, story just means that there's a development from one page to the next. This could be an abstract series of abstract paintings, maybe changing colors or something like that. However, in this video, indeed, we're talking about classic stories. I'm a confessed fan of the artist Eric Drooker. He's a New York artist and he's painting, but he also makes images from scratchboard, it's called, but it looks like woodcuts really. And he wrote 2 whole novels without using words. Let's have a look at that. The images you just saw are from his novel that's called Blood Song, and what works there for him is that because he has so many pictures, you can follow the stories, a bit like in a flip book or maybe a silent movie. This wouldn't work for you probably because you only have 6 pages. However, Eric Drooker is not the only artist who doesn't work with words. There's a whole genre attached to this. You'll find a link to the Wikipedia article in the description box. It's called Pantomime Books or Wordless Stories. Very famous is a German artist called E.O. Plauen, and he made a series of comic strips which were called Vater und Sohn, Father and Son. And they usually only had 5 or 6 images and they were usually funny. Well, they're comic strips. So it can be done. It's not easy, it can be done. And it would be so awesome if you could do something like that for your book. If you can come up with anything that works, I would be so happy to see it. All information about how to submit your book can be found on our website. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, and come back next week for another idea for your instant book. See you then!